This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days Derby key pouch. And this is how we make it. And this is what you'll need. 2 contrasting fabrics, a split ring, some string, a bead, a cam snap and a needle and thread. Using your template, cut out 2 large pieces in contrasting fabrics and 2 of the smaller. Please note that this is the top of your keyring if you are using directional fabric. Taking the 2 smaller pieces of your fabric, place them right sides together. Line up all the sides and edges and then add some clips along the bottom. I've added my clips and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way across. I've sewn all the way across. Now I open out. Press and then top stitch all the way along. I've top stitched all the way along. Now place this on top of your contrasting fabric. Then take your other piece of fabric and place it on top, right sides together, making a bit of a sandwich. And then we're going to add some clips all the way around. I've added clips all the way around and I've also added my gap sign. You have to leave a gap about 4 centimetres dead in the middle at the top. So underneath there is the piece that you put on earlier. You'll feel it's a bit thicker. Don't put it at the bottom, it's got to go at the top. Then 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way around, remembering to backstitch at the beginning and backstitch when you get to the end. I've sewn all the way around, remembering to leave my 4 centimetre gap at the top, and I've also carefully snipped around the curves. Don't snip where the gap is. Now, using that gap, carefully turn it the right way out. I've turned it the right way out, pushed out all the edges all the way around and pressed it. Next, I'm going to tuck in the raw edges at the top. I've turned in the raw edges and I've pressed it nice and straight. We're now going to make the keyring part. Fold your string in half and tie a knot in. Thread your bead and pull it out the way. We now need to attach the split ring. Put your string through. And there it is. We're now going to thread this through the gap. The next stage is to sew up the gap. Remember that you've got to leave enough gap so that the string moves freely. You can either sew it on your sewing machine very carefully, each side, remembering to leave a gap, or, as I'm going to do, sew it carefully by hand. I've carefully hand sewn across the top each side, ensuring that my string does still move freely. And now I'm going to add my cam snap. Pull everything out of the way, fold in half and finger press to determine the centre. I've folded it in half to determine the centre and you can just about see the crease line I've made. I'm going to use this line to to determine where to put my cam snap. Fold your flap over and then measure 1 centimetre from the edge along the crease that you've just made and make a mark. And that's where we're going to attach our cam snap. I've added my cam snap, and that's our Happy Days Derby key pouch all finished.